So, good morning to all my dear students. Welcome back in the online teaching of St. Thomas School, Mahua, Standard 8, Subject English, Unit 4, My Point of View. So, dear students, up to now we have completed Unit 3. Today we shall start Unit 4, My Point of View, Activity number 1. Army troops in India have reported more than 100 sightings of unidentified flying objects we call UFOs in the last 3 months. Army troops, the army people in India have found out more than 100 sightings. 100 sightings means 100 things which is seen when we see someone especially that is rare or trying to hide a rare sighting means unidentified flying objects. We cannot identify these objects in last 3 months. In these 3 months we have seen agencies including the army, DRDO, NTRO and the ITBP have not yet been able to identify these luminous flying objects. Here the agencies like Army, then DRDO. DRDO means Defense Research Development Organization. Then NTRO. NTRO means National Technical Research Organization. And the ITBP. ITBP means Indo-Tibetan Border Police have not yet been able to identify. They are not able to identify this. Even they also could not identify this luminous flying. The bright luminous means any reflecting bright light. They are not able to glowing light. They are not able to recognize. Some local people believe they are extraterrestrials who have come to Earth from outer space. Or some local people, they believe that they are extraterrestrials. Terrestrials means outside the planet or Earth, who have come to Earth from outer space. It has come from out of the space. Army officials said that the 17 corps have sent reports to the army headquarters about the sites of UFO by an ITBP unit. Here, army officials said that the 17 corps has sent reports to the army quarters. They have seen army quarters. Here, the army troop in India have reported more than 100 sites of ununified flying objects, UFOs, in the last 3 months. Last 3 months they have seen this, but they could not recognize it. What is that? Then this agency like DRDO, NTRO and ITBP, like Defense Research Development Organization, the National Technical Research Organization and Indo-Tibetan Border Police. They were also there. They were trying to find out, but they could not find out the luminous flying. The luminous flying means the producing or reflecting bright. They could not recognize it. Some local people, they believed that it was extraterrestrial. Extraterrestrial means outside the planet of Earth. Army officials said that around 17 corps has sent reports to the army headquarters about sightings of UFOs by an ITBP unit. Even 17 corps. Corps means a military unit. Even they also said, they reported the army headquarters about sightings of UFO, about that site, unidentified flying objects, and ITBP. ITBP means Indo-Tibetan Border Police. Reporters suggested that this yellowish sphere appeared to lift off from the horizon and slowly transverse the sky for 3 to 5 hours before disappearing. Some people said that, reporters said that it remained for some time into the sphere, into the round around. They remained there. Then transverse means to move or travel through an area, and then afterwards it disappeared. The official confirmed that these UFOs were not planes or satellite. They said that it was not planes or satellite. They said army had also moved a mobile around based radar unit and spectrum analyzer to verify the identity of the object, but could not detect the object that was being tracked visually, indicating it was non-metallic. Even army also moved. They wander here and there and try to find out the radar. Radar means a system which uses radio waves to find the position of an object which cannot be seen. They also try to find out. And a spectrum analyzer to verify. Spectrum analyzer means examines an equipment which colors in detail in order to discover more about. But it was also not fruitful. That being tracked visually, indicating non-metallic. Non-metallic means it was not made of metal. Army officials express concern over the inability of agency to identify the object. Even army people, they try to express the concern because they were not able to find out which things were this, who were this. Some believed they could not surveillance equipment or weather instruments. Some people said that it was surveillance. Surveillance means the careful watching of place. Especially army people will watch or policemen will watch and look after. Source said that similar reports were made 5 or 6 years ago about sighting of this object. Sources said that this was made before 5 to 6 years. But the matter was never taken up at higher level, but the matter did not go to the higher places. Now look at the last line of the article. It says, sources said that similar reports were made 5 or 6 years ago. Some sources said that it happened before 5 to 6 years ago. Newspaper reporters often uses the word sources without identifying the name of the source, because sometimes people, they do not want their same published. Sometimes these are unidentified sources, anonymous source which we cannot see, which is not finalized, which is not sure who has made it, unseen it is. If your words were published in the newspaper, would you want to publish your name or would you be anonymous? If you write something, then would you write into the public, or you will give your name, or without name you will publish, like that it is given here. Okay, so here is the end of our today's session, my dear students. We will stop here. Remaining part we will see later on. Thank you very much. Goodbye.